Hi, welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will try to solve the problem using a technique without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So here's the problem. Half of the consignment was sold at a profit of 10%. 1/3 of the remaining is sold at a loss of 12% and the remaining at a loss of 6%. What would be the overall gain or loss percentage if the value of the total consignment was $8,850? A. 2.5% loss. B. 3% gain. C. 1% gain. D. 1.5% loss. E. None of these. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the boring method. First, you find out the fractional values of the parts. Example, 1/2 of 8,850 is equal to 4,425. 1/3 of 8,850 is equal to 2,950. And 1/6 of 8,850 equals 1,475. Now, applying the respective percentages to it, 4,425 times 10% equals 442.5 gain. 1,475 times 12% equals 177 loss. 2,950 times 6% equals 177 loss. Hence, the net effect is 442.5 minus 177 minus 177 equals 88.50 gain. Thus, there is a net gain of 88.50 divided by 8,850 times 100, which is equal to 1%. And the answer is letter C. The estimated time to arrive at the answer using the boring method is 75 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option C. Let's see how ChatGPT can solve the problem and how fast it can give us the correct answer. Okay, just like the boring method, it's breaking down each part. Alright, and it gave us the correct answer, letter C, 1% gain. That was fast. Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option C. Let's see how Gemini solves the problem and if it can give us the answer correctly faster than ChatGPT. And it did. It only took us a few seconds and it gave us the correct answer, letter C. AI is definitely powerful in getting the answers. But what about the times that you don't have access to AI or a calculator? So as I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So here's the smart way. Simply get the fractions and multiply with the respective percentages as shown below. 1/2 times 10 minus 1/6 times 12 minus 1/3 times 6 equals 5 minus 2 equals 1% gain, which gives us the answer, letter C. This is possible since we are only finding the net percentage, and so the absolute value of 8,850 cancels out and so is eliminated. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 15 seconds. It's 5 seconds over than 10, but it's definitely faster considering we didn't have to use a calculator or an AI. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.